can multiply $100 into $5,000 in less than 4 hours, doing drugs, selling drugs, and they're very proud about it.
86 gang, that's a whole load of guap. If your man talk shit, put a hole in his mouth. Royce that up there, slap off the mic. Boss of the boat, yeah, the captain's back. So one of them boys getting Captain Jack. Don't man, cabbage your bubble, stop wap. You don't know me when it come to the vengeance. Chop man, chop, leave heads on fences. All of these guys on the thing for the clip. I'm the king out here, but I watch your men. Pull up in the dinger and we'll all jump in. When I get stood on, the knife get blood on. Hit him with a whap, with a bump, put him. Whap at him, the gun done him. Pull up on the bike, brum. Jump off the thing and bun him. You torn on man. All of a sudden, looking for clout, but you won't get nothing. This guy's out here thinks his girls are catch. When all of the boys being open and snatch, but I watch yourself, her she has a rash. I'll dig that door there buried in the back. They think they can run, but I catch them all. Your ink is back, you smash it, jaws, yeah, go, yeah, cap and crash your dog, put a bullet in. Hands on point like a bulletin. Your gang are fake and the full of it. All you guys need fake, just a full of it. I'm good with it, I'm fully. Turn that shit from semi to fully. I'm a nice guy, son, don't make me a bully. What's up, what's goody? Bitches, money, Hennessy and sooty. Jealousy is funny. Man, I get washed there, man, I get rinsed. Man is the king, so I leave no prints. Boy, better run if I back this nank out, break that. Where that master whole cap get shot. Got four of my guys there watching the bank rail. Boy, better back down, cause I'm on the edge. These feds trying to crack down. Take his chin up, your man gets sat down. Break up the brick there, hit it with a judo, chop it.